I think some celebrities just turned up at check-in. I think he's just there. Morning guys, so I've just arrived at Heathrow Terminal 4 at the business class lounge, which is very lovely because today I'm on my way to China. Yay! So we're going to a little province island off the south of China called Hainan, and it's apparently where all the Chinese people go on their honeymoon because it's actually a tropical island destination. So I'm going to see you from there. This is a nice touch. I'm getting some slippers.
We're going to the front desk to check in.
Yep. To get to them very quickly.
That's lovely.
Toilet.
This is beautiful. I've just arrived at the St. Regis Hotel. This is our room. Check out the little walk-in wardrobe, which is very nice. And then we come out onto the balcony, which is absolutely stunning. How beautiful is this? And then if we come back into the room, this bathroom is gorgeous. Step-up bathtub with that view is lovely. So we've just had the nights here at the St. Regis. We were just staying here one night, but today we're going to go and visit temples and very large Buddha statue. So we've just had a really long climb up the stairs. We're now at the top of Nanshan Temple and we're here at the Golden Buddha and it's really beautiful. It is so busy here. Lots and lots of jewellery. We're just at the night market now. We're having a little wander through the streets at night, but it is so hectic. There's so many people, and I don't know if you can tell because you probably can't hear me, but it is so noisy, like so noisy. Hello! And the shops go on and on. Wow, so we have just checked into Raffles in Hainan. We're in a suite. It's absolutely amazing. So this is our living room with kitchen and entertaining area, which is fabulous, can I just say. Then that leads on to the guest bathroom, which has one of those Japanese hot seat, amazing jet wash toilets. And then you come through to the bedroom, which is so beautiful. God, look at that, love it. And then from there, we come through to the dressing room and walk-in wardrobe. It's so cool. And then the main bathroom, which has this huge double shower. And then check out this beautiful bathroom, it's so nice. And then that leads out onto the balcony, which I'm going to show you in daylight tomorrow. But I love this room, it's ridiculous. Thank you, Raffles, very happy. So we've just arrived at breakfast, and it's absolute breakfast goals. Hello,
We've
Charlie.
just arrived and the breakfast is already here.
All right, so we went in and prepped it, but it's good, right? It's very good. Yummy, loads of vegetables and sushi and yumminess and delicious, and basically this view. That's all I've got to say. Amazing. At the Li Em Miao, I've been told that's how you say it properly, minority village, which is an amazing little village area, which is just how the Chinese people in this area used to live thousands of years ago. And apparently we're going to see some tattooing, because all the ladies from this area have to have their tribal tattoos and lots of other exciting things. So in we go. So I think we're going to take these things here and then cook them in the pot, which is kind of fun, really.
Two.
Filling in with alcohol.
Oh no, it's got to be three. He tried.
Good. Carol's saying slow down. My favourite part of the trip is going to the spa. And this happens to be the best spa in Hainan. So I think I'm in for a treat. This is my therapist, Hebe. Hello. And so we go to the spa now? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm going to have a quick shower before the treatment in this gorgeous little shower room here. So post shower, the first step is I have to pick one of these lovely scents. These are the oils that they're going to use in the massage. But first, I have a little foot bath, which is very nice. And then I get a foot scrub as well, which is quite fun. Very luxury. And into the massage room. This is beautiful, huge sofa, very chic. Right, I'm off. See you later. Okay, so back in the changing room. That was the most amazing massage I've had in a very long time, and I have a lot of massages, but that's definitely one of the best. That was just so nice. Everything, the whole experience, the foot washing, the walking through the gardens on the way here. Wow, just loved it. Thank you, Raffles, very nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are beginning our final descent. Please fasten your seatbelts.
So that's pretty cool, right? We've just arrived in Zhangjiao. I'm sure I've said that wrong, so I'll find out how to say it properly later. So we've just arrived at our hotel. Wow, check this out. It's insane. The ceilings just go on forever. Look how cool that is. That's so cute. Carol's going to eat the fish head.
It's really nice. Am I going to eat it now?
Oh my god.
If I carry it on, I'll throw it.
Very good. So basically, we came here to take some photos. Evan was taking a picture of Kim, but now every single local wants a photo with Kim. And there's a crowd gathered. Check this out.
Kim, thanks for modeling for me.
There is a competition going on. Evan and a 4-year-old child. She's quite good actually. That has been the most amazing whirlwind tour of China. Absolutely loved staying in Hainan at the gorgeous St. Regis Hotel and also at Raffles, which was stunning. And then this fantastic last day in Zhangzhou. I think that's how you say it, I'm still not sure. We're heading off to the airport now. I'm going to leave you with this gorgeous view and a huge, huge thank you to the Hainan, This is Hainan Gov. It's been such a brilliant trip. See you soon.